Drinks cost 125.
125 bucks.
How about the fish?
200 bucks.
200 bucks. Holy shit. How much do you think it cost if it was cooked? Did you pay for it?
No. Assistant Inspector Masahiro Masamoto signed it over to the Osaka Prefectural Police Department.
Best thing they've done for us since we've been here.
We was owed.
I like this guy.
Mas?
Yeah.
He's okay.
What the hell's this?
Come on, baby.
I don't know, Charlie. I can't figure this place out.
Come on, babe. You want to play? You and me. Come on. Come on. Right here. Come on. Come on. That's it. That's it. Come on. Right here. Yeah. Hey! Fuck!
Good, Charlie.
Fuck me.
Good move,
Hey!
babe.
Hey!
Real good,
Okay,
Charlie.
good. Come on. Bring it back. We'll go again. You, bring it back. Did you see that?
Hey, don't get fucking personal, all right?
Hey, fuck you! Hey!
Hey, Charlie.
Fuck!
Hey, Charlie, come on. It's only a goddamn coat.
Got my fucking passport! Come here, fuck! Come here.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Come here, fuck! Come here! Come here!
Hey, Charlie! Charlie! Charlie!
You little shit!
Hey, Charlie!
Come here! Come here! Come here! Come here, you fuck! Oh, you little shit! Stay there, you little shit! Right there! Stay right there! Oh, you little shit! Oh, you fuck! All right. Come on, let's go.
What?